Hi everybody! Welcome to Family Activity Friday. For this week, we are going to be making a sprinkler out of a recycled bottle. So let's head outside and grab our tools. For this week's activity, you are going to need a recycled bottle, tape, and a screwdriver that you can poke through plastic with. Make sure that you're doing this with your family because it can be a little bit tricky by yourself. Outside, you are also going to need to use your hose, so make sure you have that. So first things first, we are going to take the wrapping off of our water bottle just to make sure that it is nice and clean. Then I'm throwing it in the garbage to make sure I don't litter. Now, as you can see, I have my screwdriver and I'm starting to poke holes in the bottle. Make sure you have an adult's help. I'm poking around 4 holes in the bottle, and I chose to put all 4 of my holes on one side so that the water will shoot up. But if you wanted the water to go everywhere, you could put the holes everywhere. Once we have the holes, we can get our tape and put them together on the hose. All I did was I took the lid off and I taped the hose right to the water bottle. And there you have it, a recycled DIY sprinkler that you can have in your very own backyard. This is great for everyone in the family to go and play. Even your pets can join in. And there you have it. That's another week done. Splish Splash Week is over. I hope you enjoyed our activities, including our sprinkler water bottle, and I hope to see you guys next week.